How to organize the evidence accompanied with the O-1 visa application. To effectively organize evidence for an O-1 visa application, you should meticulously categorize documents based on the specific O-1 eligibility criteria, clearly label each document, include a table of contents outlining the evidence submitted for each criteria, and provide English translations for any foreign language documents, ensuring all supporting materials are presented in a logical and easy-to-navigate format. Follow the tips below for how to organize the evidence accompanied with the O-1 visa application. 1. Provide all required documentation and evidence with the O-1 visa application when filed. O-1 visa application may be denied, or may be issued a request for evidence, RFE, in the instances where the required evidence described in the instructions and regulations are not initially provided. If providing photocopies of documents, provide clear legible copies. 2. All foreign language documents must be submitted with a corresponding English translation. The English translation must be certified by a translator who is competent to translate and must verify in writing that the translation is true and accurate to the best of the translator's abilities. It is helpful if the English translation is stapled to the foreign language document. 3. If documenting the alien's publications or citations of the alien beneficiary's work, highlight the alien's name in the relevant articles. It is not necessary to send a full copy of a dissertation, thesis, or research paper written by the alien beneficiary, or one in which the alien beneficiary's work has been cited. Include the title page and the portions that cite the alien's work. 4. Tab and label the evidentiary exhibits at the bottom of the first page of each exhibit, and provide a list of the evidentiary exhibits and the eligibility criteria that each exhibit is submitted to establish for petitions supported by a substantial amount of documentation. An exhibit that is being provided to meet multiple eligibility criteria should be so identified in the exhibit list. The following are important steps for organizing your O-1 visa evidence. 1. Categorize by eligibility criteria. Divide documents into sections based on the O-1 criteria, such as sustained national or international acclaim, high level of expertise, critical commercial success, leading or critical role in the field, high remuneration, or other relevant evidence. 2. Labeling and indexing. Clearly label each document with a unique identifier. Use a numbering system for easy reference. Include a brief description of the document content on the label. This helps the adjudicator quickly understand its relevance. 3. Table of contents. Create a detailed table of contents. List each document category and the corresponding document numbers, making it easy to locate specific evidence. 4. Translation for foreign documents. Provide certified English translations for all non-English documents. Ensure translations are accurate and completed by a professional translator. 5. Highlighting key information. Bold or underline important details in documents. When presenting articles, awards, or reviews, emphasize the applicant's name and key achievements. 6. Document presentation. Use clear and concise formatting. Organize documents in chronological order where applicable. And bind or clip documents neatly. Maintain a professional appearance. The following are example of how to categorize evidence. 1. Sustained national or international acclaim. Published articles highlighting the applicant's expertise in major publications, awards and honors received at international competitions, Testimonials from prominent figures in the field. 2. High level of expertise, professional memberships in relevant organizations, significant contributions to the field through research and publications, evidence of specialized knowledge and skills. By following these guidelines, you can effectively organize your O-1 visa evidence, increasing the chances of a successful application. Thank you for watching the video. We offer high-quality complete do-it-yourself packages for U.S. green card application and working visa application, and we provide many samples of reference letters, and samples of petition cover letters for U.S. immigration and green card application, and we also let you know the U.S. green card application process and how to get your green card quickly. If you want to apply for a U.S. green card, our website greencardapply.com and complete do-it-yourself packages can help you get green card quickly, even without an U.S. employer sponsorship, and bypass the labor certification process. I hope the audience will give us a thumbs up, provide comments, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, to let the knowledge of U.S. green card application spread to more immigrants, and let YouTube's algorithm recommends our videos to more viewers. For further and detailed information of U.S. green card application, please visit our website greencardapply.com. Thank you.